Okay, get it together. What are you doing there?
Building Lego, and I'm trying to make mine as higher. I'm trying to make mine bigger than Benji's.
Oh, you got, how many did you get together? Let's see, Benji. Let's see.
3.
1, 2, 3.
And
how many?
Yay!
Yay! How many do you have, Bradley?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Yay!
24.
Yeah, I got 20.
Okay, let's see if we can stand it up. Do you think it's going to break? We can do it. We can do it. No, we can do it. We can do it. We can do it.
Look how high mine is.
Oh, Benji.
Don't tip it.
Okay, so let's show how high it is. It just keeps going and going all the way to the top. That's 24.
I got 24
Big
blocks.
Okay. We broke it! Oh no!
Mom, you broke it!
It's all right over. I was not careful enough. Alright. So let's, I want to get your 2 fidget spinners here, Bradley. Can you tell everybody that you're moving? So we've been going through your toys, and we've been finding some new stuff that we haven't seen for a long time. Yeah? And we found 2 of this fidget spinner. Which one is this, Brad?
Light up
The
one.
light up one?
Yeah.
Like that. Okay, here you do that.
Light it up. What?
Oh yeah.
There you go.
There you go. And the strawberry one. So let's do, should we do a challenge?
What?
Should we do a challenge? Let's
Yeah.
see who spins longest. Okay, you
Yeah.
gotta come up here beside me. So 1, 2,
Yeah.
3. Let it go.
Mine's going faster.
Let's see which one stops first. Keep your hands down.
Mine's gonna stop.
Oh, I think it is.
Mine
The
is.
strawberry one is still going. Going strong.
No.
It stopped.
The strawberry one is mine, actually.
Actually,
That's me.
that's it.
Yeah, so
It's
you're.
still going.
You're
That's
dead.
crazy. I bet you if you did this one again, see if the strawberry one is still going. By the time that one starts for a second time. You think it will?
Yeah. Hey, no.
Be nice. Don't push your brother, Benji. Brad, he just wants to see.
No. No, it's still
I told
going.
you. I knew it would. Bow, bow, bow.
It's still.
Maybe again? Oh, Benjamin. The little monster.
When this wind goes. Yeah.
Maybe if we blow it. Oh.
So you have to. No, you need an air compressor.
Oh.
You need an air
It's
compressor.
dangerous. Don't fall. Hey, Benji, can you say, hoo-wee, baby?
Baby. I'll go going.
Hoo-wee, baby.
Get dizzy.
Hoo-wee, baby.
That one fell spinning.
What was he saying? What was he saying yesterday that was so funny? You want the cookie? Hoo-wee, baby.
Yeah, please.
Can you say it again, Benji? A cookie. Can you say hoo-wee, baby? Alright. 5-minute video.
That guy wanted let me do a 60 video. Goodbye.
No, you're gonna say peace out.
Peace out.
Okay.
Yes!
Don't be sad, you silly boy.
But I'm sad because you didn't let me do a 67 40-minute video.
67 or 40 minutes, that's a long video.
I wanted to do a long video.
Oh.
So this is going to be enough.